Hello everybody. Today we got some mail and I picked up some Vans Colt grips for the bike because it's awfully vibrating and we're working on that. So we're going to replace this grip and this grip and it should be fairly easy. I have one hand, so I'm going to have to do this and try to film it and whatnot. But we're just going to loosen this bolt, take off this bar end. That should slide right out. And then hopefully with a little effort, we'll get that grip right off and replace it with these Vans Colts, which is the one that seems to be the highly regarded ones for anti-vibration. It's not like the Grip Daddies and stuff like that. And of course, this is sealed. I'm going to have to cut it, but we'll get that on there and that should make a huge difference for us. So I will edit this and be right back. All right, we're back. I've loosened everything. So we're going to take this bolt right off. I'm going to leave it right in there. It is starting to sprinkle. So we're going to put this kind of right there so that it's out of the way. And we did the same thing for over here. Loosened it up. Going to put that one. I'm going to put them down here. Just out of the way. And they don't fall. Throw it down there. So now the fun part of getting these off, which is going to be probably stick some compressed air in there and then blow and pull. We'll come back. A little shove it right in the end, blow and pull, comes right off. You don't need to cut it. You don't need to do anything else. And you got backup grips. Came right off. Put a little air pressure right in there, blow and pull at the same time, comes right off. Now for putting them on, you're going to have two different sizes. You can see the holes here. So the bigger one is going to go on your grip, which is here. The smaller one's going to go over there. And what I do, everybody uses hand spray. They want the little glue or whatever in there. You don't need it. Just use hand sanitizer. It'll evaporate, go away, but it's a great lubricant to get it on there. Just douse it up and throw it on. And that's what I'm going to do before this rain hits. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I have hand sanitizer on there right now. I'm going to stick this throttle grip on. Look how nice that goes. Look how nice that goes on. I was way out of frame, sorry. I have a neighbor hollering at me. Give me a minute. All right, let's do this again. Whole bunch of lube. Hand sanitizer there. And then we're going to put a whole bunch. Hard to show this on video and do it at the same time. But we're going to, and it's such thin hand sanitizer that I can just roll it on there. What I'm doing is the cut end out because that's where the bar end is. I'm looking for this label that says Vans. Oh, yeah, it's super easy. And I think that's the label I want. Yeah. Straighten that out. And that'll drop nice. And then I'll come back and show you the bar ends. All right, we're back. Both grips are on. As you can see, the cut end is on here. We'll zoom in. Yeah, it's not perfect, but you got to cut it off. And this is still a little bit loose. It'll dry out and tighten right up. But I got this little mark right on the top and over here. Come on. There it is right there. And then this one's already dried up pretty good. But already I can tell the difference. I don't want to mess this one up. But we'll see. Let it dry and then give it a little test drive. But yeah, the black ones were the way to go. And I didn't know if the orange would match. But they do offer an orange. But as a review, air compressor, which is got right over there. Stick it right in the end. Blow, pull. Get the new one. If it's got an end on it, cut the end off. And then slather it with hand sanitizer. It's cheap. Slide it right on. Let it dry out. It doesn't need this hairspray glue stuff that everybody else does. And I'll give you a test report when I can. Okay, that concludes my install of the Vans Colt grips. And I've had Ari grips in the past, which is a mountain bike grip. And I'm going to try these out. These seem similar to that, but these are definitely, they seem okay for the very short ride that I did. And these are all the tools you need. You just need a razor to cut the end off if you have bar end mirrors. If not, don't worry about it. A 6mm wrench to get the bar ends off if you have the bar ends. Hand sanitizer, not hairspray. And then these are the original grips, all in nice shape. Well, U shape. If you buy your own, give me a call, give me a holler, comment, let me know what you think. I think they're going to work out great.